This how-to video is going to be on how to set up a TriState alarm for a wired input or contact on an I/O module for a switch contact module or an I/O for a PSM. So for in this example, I'll be doing the PSM. Keep in mind it can be the same way on an I/O module switch contact. So from this main screen, we go into our core software. Where we want to be here is in our devices. So we can select that here, use icons, so configuration and devices. Now I have this PSM set up as my module with an input. So I'm just going to select it here, going to hit edit. I'm going to go to the monitoring points. I've already got one set up here. So what I want to do is set up another one. So I'm going to say this is my line down cell 2. And then I'm going to set this up as, like we were saying, is it's switch contact. It's set up as a tri-state. So we're going to click that. So essentially what's going to happen now is that contact's going to turn on. It's going to trip this alarm. It's going to say line down cell 2. It's going to show up a button on the operator's screen to acknowledge. So they'll click that button to acknowledge and then fix the issue. And then once it's ready to go again, it'll just, that switch will actually clear, that contact will clear, and it'll clear the alarm off and it'll keep going. So once we have that set up, we just want to hit our save and exit. This part is important. And then now what we want to do is make sure we have it still selected, and we want to go edit. Because now what we need to do is link this alarm to that input. So for my example here is I want that input to come, or that contact to come from input 2. So I want to select input 2, and then it's going to say what's it linked to. It's going to say not set. As you can see, I see my cell 1 and cell 2. So this one is going to be cell 2. I select that. Now it's set up. I hit save and exit. Now that one's all set up with that alarm or contact to be set up as a tri-state. Just make sure you go to your device status and you update that module if this is an edit to an existing one. And that will conclude this video on how to set up that tri-state switch contact. Look forward to talking to you again.